Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of me building my custom e-bike. Today I'm going to attempt to cover my side frames for my e-bike in vinyl. I purchased this kit from Paul. It's a full suspension e-bike kit that allows me to incorporate my controller and my battery internal to the bike. The frame is gloss white, and I'm looking for something to just break that up a little bit. This vinyl sheet was purchased off of Amazon for pretty cheap. And I think it looks quite nice, and hopefully it'll turn out really good. So let's jump right into it. I have a heat gun, obviously just to help shrink the vinyl around some of the compound curves. X-Acto knife for trimming. I have some rubbing alcohol just to clean my surfaces and to clean my fingertips, so I can get good adhesion, and a pair of scissors. One item I did not have was a set of gloves. That would have helped me not burn my fingers as much. A little bit about the frame. The frame, it's not light. It's about 10 kilograms. But it's very strong. It's similar to the bikes that the Wolverine that High Powered Cycle makes, and the Vector electric bike, for those that are familiar with that particular model. It comes in two color options, black and white. It's made out of 2mm square tube frame. The plastic is ABS PMMA plastic. The battery compartment has an internal width of about 140 millimeters, length about 360 millimeters, and height maximum of 260 millimeters. The rear shock mount supports shock lengths between 200 and 240 millimeters. The supplied front headset can accept straight or tapered forks. It includes a bottom bracket. The rear suspension can accept wheels up to 26 inches with a tire height of about 2.7 inches. I did not capture an unboxing of the frame, but I do have a video coming up that basically shows the build quality and overview of the frame. My motor of choice to mate to the frame is the Crystalite crown motor. I purchased the TC3080, which is the same high powered as the original crown. It just gives you the standard flanges to connect the spokes to. As you saw in my past videos, power comes from a 20S 10P pack, and management will be an 18 FET controller from EM3EV. According to Paul, it's their newest controller that mates really well to the Psychoanalyst V3. Rear shock is a D&M 220 millimeters, I think, and my front fork is a dual crowned 200 millimeter travel Killa. Here I'm prepping the surface, just cleaning it with some alcohol. I'll dry it off as well. All in all, for my first attempt, I think that this process actually went really well. I'm really happy with the quality and how the vinyl laid down and how it turned out. You will see a few wrinkles here and there, but I think just a little more time with the heat gun, I would probably be able to straighten those out. Okay, the piece is dry, so let's go ahead and try to lay it down. I did put the majority of the installation in time lapse, so sit back and enjoy. All right, like I said, here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty darn good. My holes are cut out. At the top, you'll see just a few little wrinkles, but I think with my little popsicle stick and my heat gun, I'm pretty sure I can get them out. I learned a lot, and I think the other side is going to look even better.